Right, where are we? I don't even know where to start. So I think that the story starts. I'm sitting outside smoking, and then I see email coming through, and this lady has screenshotted one of my Pinterest designs, and then took photos of hers back, and then she put on, and then she said, "I made some alterations." What did you do? You flipped it around. I think that circular thingy, what meant to be another side, and then she's like, "Can you do all this?" And I was like, "Well, yeah, you done it all." And then she did the edits, and I did the tuning basically. That was it. And even the black last night, I can actually make that in a video now. Literally hold that against that, and then pull off. So yeah, she did that as well. Uh, Basically decided to do the black there, and then a few other stuff. So you probably wonder, what did I do? What did I use? So how do we get these thicker lines? You double line them, one side on the side, color in. I colored in with 15 mag, pretty much all of it. Obviously when it gets like corners like this, like I always say, use the liner. So I use the liner to do the corners. These not as thick, but thick walls or thick lines, as in like, I mean these outer ones, I did with double lining with round shader. So like round shader, one line is like this, and then you just do it twice. So it's twice the thickness. And then what also it made is the outer petals became thicker and darker, and then the inner ones are more gentle, softer, and you can clearly see what's what just by the line thickness itself. Color wise, these outer petals, they kind of healed too light. Don't know how all that happened, but they meant to be way darker than they are, which is a surprise, surprise. Which means someday, we're gonna color them back in. What else I need to say? I use the dynamic triple black for all the outline and to color into there as well. All this also did 15 mag. I did reline the stuff on the head, added more darkness. Last time, I think that was probably the last area I was in, so she was suffering quite badly, so I kind of did quick, so it's there, it looks cool, you can walk around, but like now that's proper strongly there, as you can see. I probably will need to take a proper photo of itself. Someday, at some point, we're gonna attack the wolf. We'll try to get that in there properly. What else? So this is session number 3. First time we outlined all. Last time we shaded, and then last time it was just not hers day and just not feeling well. And I was like, you know what, go home, have a nice tea and coffee, come back next time. Today's the next time. And then today she's fine, she's cool. And then we blasted all the black, and then I did the shading. And then if you are on Instagram, follow me, you're gonna see time-lapse video, and I filmed all that from first line today till now. The shading inside here I did with 27 mag, which is, I think that one there, 27 mag. And then this is black, darks, lights, 27, round shader, 15 mag, and that one is 9 power liner. Because some areas you need to line, some areas need to like get in the corners, and then yeah, even on the bottom here I double lined that. So I'm thinking now, did I forget anything to mention? Do you want to say a few words paint wise, or you don't want to?
Is this like the full recording, or
Yeah.
do you talk over?
Yeah.
I mean, pain wise, yeah, it was pretty brutal down the spine
You
section.
can grab that.
What, pain wise?
Yeah, you can explain like how was the neck and then spine, and because these are the questions what people gonna have like heavily is like, how was your head?
So the neck and the head area, surprisingly not that bad. It's more so it gives you quite bad head rush afterwards. As for the spine, I'd say for me that was the sharpest area, especially around my shoulder blades. That section, the upper back, that was quite brutal. But as for the remainder of it, because it's quite evenly shaded all over, when it begins to get unbearable, you've then already moved on to another section.
Yeah, that is a benefit of tattooing pretty fast now.
Mm-hmm.
Get in, do some paint, move on.
So, okay, I can't take any more. And then you've moved on. So, oh, okay, brilliant.
Yeah, I think that's about it. I think that should do. How was healing? Maybe mention a few words in healing.
Healing.
Or like shower.
The shower afterwards, have a cool shower, because that was horrific last time. I thought, oh no, I'll have a nice warm shower, wash all the excess ink off. No, have a nice cool shower, because your back's going to be a lot hotter than you realise. As for the healing, just make sure you've got a second person to help moisturise your back, because there'll be some areas that you can't reach yourself and you physically won't be able to move your arms up to those angles to get the difficult spots. So yeah, get a helper.
Nice.